Hello, in this video I explain how to put extension boards to a Siemens S7-1200 CPU using TIA Portal V17. Oh, and welcome back. This is Gerd Zeller from Zeller Presscontrol Systems, and off we go. Alright, in the first video I showed you how to create a new project in the V17 TIA Portal, setting up a CPU 1200, and you can see this here in the device configuration. So in order for you to understand it better, I will just close this device configuration, and this is your screen when you open the TIA Portal. And if you go to the left side in the project tree on the left hand side, you will have the PLC CPU that you created, and on here there is a button that says device configuration, and as soon as you click this, the device configuration will open, and also you will see on the far right hand side here the hardware catalog will also open. Alright, and in order to set the correct modules, I already prepared this from the schematic drawing. And here you can see this is the CPU, the S7-1200 CPU using the onboard inputs and outputs. And the next will be that I will be setting up a 16-bit input module, and all the input module have got the prefix 221. So 6ES7-221 all refers to digital inputs for the S7-1200 CPU. Okay, and here on this catalog on the right side you can see a section that says DI, that's the digital input. You just click on the arrow here, you open it up, and then in my case it will be the DI16, and then we will have the 6ES7-221 1BH32, which I have set up right here. Okay, so now if you just click on that, you can see already where it will be able to be placed. You can actually put 8 extension boards on the right side of your CPU. That refers to the numbers from 2 to 9. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you can just either drag and drop it like this, or I will be using another one, the same module again, or you can mark the slot where it's gonna be placed, and then just go ahead and double click it, and it will also be placed on the marked slot. Okay, and as soon as you set a new module, automatically the property window opens below the device configuration, and we will go through this setting in the next video. Alright, and as for the next module, I will be using a 16 digital output, and you can already see the 6 digital output changes to the 6ES7-222, and the 222 all refers to digital outputs. You can also double check this on here. In my case it will be the DQ 16 times 24 volts, and you can see the 6ES222. And if you open, for instance, only the 8-bit input board, you can also see the prefix, the 222, and the relay output should be the same, and the 8 relay output and so on will all be the same. So whenever you got a board that's called 222, you will know that's a digital output board. So the same thing, just take it, drag and drop it, and place it, and another one will be placed just with a double click, and I also will be needing 2 of those output boards. All right, next one is a analog output, and the analog output is called 6ES7232. Pretty much the same like it is with the inputs and outputs. In this case, it is the 232 4HB32, and that's a 2-word analog output. And I will close this, and then I will open the section for the analog output, AQ, and it's a 2 14-bit output module, and it should be this one here. And also you can see as soon as you click it, it also opens up some information down here where you can see the article number again and the version. And then I always put it to the latest version, that way you don't get any mess ups with your configuration later on. All right, and just double check it. That's the 4HB32, 232 4HB32, so that's correct. So just drag and drop it, and we're all set. Okay, and that's it for the video about how to put extension boards to a CPU S7-1200 from Siemens using the TIA Portal V17. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.